Thanks to Madam for helping us in this endeavor. I think the whole credit goes to Apollo Hospital because they have been supporting us since 9 years now. I think 2004 onwards, 11 years, right? Yeah, 11 years since we have started this program, and I was very fortunate to come to this center. I'm Dr. Girish. I'm the cardiac surgeon at Apollo. I thought I'll just tell you very briefly about what we do in single ventricle operations. Actually, man is meant to have 2 feet, 2 hands, 2 eyes, and is meant to have 2 ventricles. Unfortunately, some of them are born with only 1. It doesn't mean that there are no people with 1 hand, 1 foot, or 1 eye. Man can survive with 1 ventricle alone. Of course, you know that we need 4 wheels for a car, but a bike is also a good thing to move around. You just need to go from point A to point B. Next, please. Next. Just about what the heart is like in fish, it is only 1 atrium, 1 ventricle, but in mammals it's 2 atrium, 2 ventricles. So in between, we lose 1 ventricle, we get 1 more ventricle actually. Next. What the heart does is actually it receives blood from the body, pumps it to the lungs, gets the blood back from the body, from the lungs, and then pumps it to the body. So this is what is most important. Next. Unfortunately, some children have only 1 ventricle, which means that they pump to the lungs and to the body with the same ventricle. There are several conditions. I am not going to this. This operation that we are talking about, Fontan operation, was first discovered in 1970 by Fontan. What he did was actually he was bypassing the blood from the body to the lungs directly, and then the ventricle that's remaining would pump to the body. Next. There are 2 parts. One is the stage 1, where we do the veins from the upper half of the body is connected to lungs, and the stage 2 from the lower half also is connected to lungs. Next. Can you play that video? Yeah, this is a video about a patient who has had the animation of a patient who has had surgery. So what it shows is the blue line is the vein coming from the upper half of the body. Now that is coming and getting attached to the lungs directly. The artery, the blue one which goes on the sides, is going to the lungs. Next. Play it again. So what we are doing, previous one please. And play, yeah. So in the second stage what we do is that we connect a tube from the lower half, that is the IVC, inferior vena cava. We connect it directly to the lungs. So that is what is, I think, completing the operation. And all these children will need at least 2 operations in their lifetime, if not more. Some people need 3, like Saeed Irfan's father told me. But most of them go on with 2 operations. Next. Yeah, this is one boy we actually operated. You can see the angiogram of the baby who had an operation. Can you play that? No, go back and play. Yeah, so that you see that tube that is from the lower half goes and connects to the lung directly. So now what it means is that the heart has only 1 chamber which pumps to the body only. All the blood from the body is coming to the lungs and getting purified. Next. Unfortunately, they are not 100% of normal. They would be about 90 or 95% normal. That's what I tell everybody here. I think all the parents know about it. They are about 90 or 95% normal. The survival up to now is around 40 years. But beyond 40 years, we do not know because this operation itself was found about 1970 only. So the oldest person would be around 40 years old. The most important thing that we need is that child should have a good lung function. Now the lungs are not good, the operation is not going to work. In Apollo, we have done about 100 cases in 4 years, 3.5, 4 years, with a 4% risk. Next. And that's the team. Dr. Kavita, Dr. Meena, Dr. Gaurav Agarwal at the back, and the nurses and the physician assistant. Next. The average age that we operate these children are around between 5 and 10 years. Almost 67% are done within 10 years of age. As they grow older, they are not operable anymore. Some of them do not survive so long and they don't get operated. Fortunately for us, we have Rajeshwari here who we could operate, and she is now 23 years old, so that's very good. but a lot of children don't make even up to 10 years. Next. I had a small thing that I would like to say to everybody. Not everybody gets a chance to add 40 years of life. I think if you can do it, that will be a great favor for everybody. And it's thanks to Stepathlon also. Thank you.